Hi everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. This is the most amazing place I have ever been to. Let's break it down. Today's skill is expressing a unique experience. We can use a superlative adjective and the present perfect tense together to express a unique experience in your life. We use the superlative adjective to show the best experience. Then we use the present perfect tense to express the idea of until now, because your life isn't finished. It's common to omit that during conversation. For example, this is the best place that I have been to becomes, this is the best place I've been to. You can add ever to the sentence if you want to give it extra emphasis. For example, this is the best place I have ever been to. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Okay, let's look at the structure. We start with a subject and a verb. For example, this is. Then we use our superlative adjective, the most amazing. Then we connect that to a noun. For example, place. Then we use a sentence with present perfect. I have ever been to. This becomes, this is the most amazing place I have ever been to. Let's look at some examples. I just bought a new house. It is the most expensive thing I've ever bought. Taking this job was the best decision I've ever made. This is the most amazing coffee I've ever had in my life. Okay, thank you very much for watching today's class. If you would like to practice the grammar point, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Bye.